What does this mean? What do we mean by an algebraic expression does not show equality? Can you tell me what equality means, Dujan?
This when it's equal.
When it's equal. All right, good. Devonique, what does equality mean? Devonique? All right, let's roll. All right, so we're saying here, people, that the key here to an equation and an expression is the term equality. All right, equality. So in other words, Dujan, in math, we say we can use letters in algebra. And these letters represent numbers. So let us say, for example, we find that 2 mangoes, Dujan?
What is the year when we change it? What is that?
All right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, the first example, 2 mangoes plus 3 cherries.
Yes, sir.
So write that off because I'm going to clear the board. Our first thing that we're going to be writing using algebra is 2 mangoes plus 3 cherries.
Or
Write that off already, Devonique?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm going to clear the board now.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Now, so we're saying we have 2 mangoes and 3 cherries. Where Devonique and Dujan, we can represent this in mathematics using algebra. Now, we don't use the words mangoes and cherries in maths. Again, what we use are letters, signs, and numbers. All right? So, if we're going to talk about 2 mangoes, we use a letter to represent mangoes. All right? So we could say mangoes. So we're going to say let mangoes be M. Letter M. All right? Everybody see that? Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Let mangoes be letter M and cherries be, what letter you want us to make cherry be, Dujan?
C.
C. All right, good. Now, what we want to do is represent this whole statement up here. 2 mangoes and 2 cherries. Now, in math, we can represent that statement, 2 mangoes and 3 cherries, as this. 2M plus 3C. Everybody see that?
Sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
So the all of this word up here, 2 mangoes plus 3 cherries, what we have just done is to represent this entire statement using just these little symbols down here. Everybody see that? Jean?
Yes, sir.
Good. So again, this statement down here, 2M plus 3C means 2 mangoes plus 3 cherries. All right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is what we call an algebraic expression. All right?
Yes, sir.
So again, this is called this.
So right after.
Yes, you can. So this is called an algebraic expression. It represents a statement in mathematics that is not showing any equality between 2 things. So it's just a statement. So some big words, we're just putting in letters and numbers and symbols. Write that off already?
Yes, sir.
All right, now here goes your next statement. Your next statement is 5 apples.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here's your next statement, Dujan. And 5 apples. Here's your statement, Dujan, I want you to represent this statement using an algebraic expression. Go ahead.
I'm in a hole. I'm trying to connect a mirror to this.
Let's go ahead. All right, so again, we have 5 apples multiplied by 6 apples. Dijon, you want to write your answer on the board so I can see what you have in mind?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, write your answer on the board. Let me see. Devonique,
Yes, sir.
can you write what you
has started sharing screen. Yes, sir.
can you write what
Wait a minute, sir, because it cut off while ago, sir. So I have to wait a bit.
Okay. Dijon, write on this side.
Yes, sir, but I'm waiting for this to load.
Okay. Dijon, I didn't see what he wrote. Did he write 5 times 6?
Yes, sir.
But remember, you want to represent what you have, right? So is it just 5 times 6? 5
No.
what? 5 what? 5 what?
Yes, sir.
It is 5 what? 5 what do we have here?
Apples.
So we have to use a letter to represent apples, right? So which letter are we going to use? 5A. Good. But what are you doing with 5A and 6A? What operation? Which operation are you doing, John? Here's your operation, Dujan. You're multiplying 5 A's by 6 A's. All right, Dujan?
Yes, sir.
You see the operation here? Five apples multiplied by 6 apples. So, Dujan, it's gonna be, you're correct. If you just do the finish, it's gonna be 5 A's multiplied by 6 A's. All right?
Yes, sir.
And this is our algebraic expression. All right, Dejan?
Yes, sir.
So this says 5 A's multiplied by 6 A's. Got that?
Yes, sir.
And that is what we called an expression, an algebraic expression. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Devonique? Devonique? All right, Dejan, here goes another one, Dejan. Other one.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you another one, Dejan. Here goes.
Don't tell me anything. You know, I get no
Dejan, please write an expression, an algebraic expression to represent this statement.
Not peanut butter first. I just say. Not peanut butter.
Sorry, I see it.
Yes, I'm seeing. Right, but what are you doing today? What are you doing today to the two of those terms, Dejan? What operation are you doing to them? Adding. Good. So put your addition sign between them. Good. Great job, Dejan. So it says 12 pears added to 3 bananas. And that is what you called an algebraic expression. All right, Dejan?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm going to clear the board and give you about 3 more to do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So here goes. You can start that one.
Yes, sir.
Another one.
Number 1, dot 2.
All right, there are the questions. Do those submit, Dujan and Devonique. Just write when you're ready, all right, Dujan?
Yes, sir.
Just write the answers on the board when you're ready, all right?
Yes, sir.
What letter is that? R?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good job, Dejan. All right. Very good job, Dejan. It's 2B. Good. All right. So remember, Dejan, these are what we call expressions. All right.
Yes, sir.
And the big word in front of it is algebraic expression, or you hear the word algebra expression. All these algebra expression does is to represent some statement. All right. Some
Yes, sir.
mathematical statement. An algebraic expression is used to represent a verbal statement in mathematical language. All right?
Yes, sir.
Because in maths, we don't want no whole heap of words, right? We just want some letters and numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
That looks easier to represent that, don't?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, good. So these are called expressions, okay?
Yes, sir.
Expressions. All right, good. So let's look at some more. I'm going to clear the board. Clearing the board. So here goes another one.
Mommy, scare you off on the phone. I
Wanted her to do an extra year, but she did not want to stay one. I guess she didn't want to stay for one thing. And the rest thing you can
Dejan, can you do this one for me, please?
Right.
Devonique, you also.
All right.
you can put some on this side and some on this side and then I feel like this.
What's your ass? What's your ass?
No. Yeah, I remember I needed to buy.
All right, good job there, Dejan. Do the other one now. Devonique?
So I'm doing it now.
Okay, good.
Okay, bye now. It's a
Hey, come.
Good job, Dejan.
yes, sir.
I said very good job. Very good job. Very good job. All right. So let's do some more now.
The money leave.
So you catch algebra.
Yes.
Nice.
Well,
So write an expression to represent this statement now, Dejan. So think about it. Nothing different. Write an expression.
yeah.
Been a long time.
Mm-hmm. All right, good job, Dijon. Good job there. Do the next one. All right. Excellent. 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 All right. So, Dijon, Dijon. So, what we have done so far, this is what is called algebraic expressions. All right. What are they
Yes,
called?
sir. Sir,
What? Yeah.
the second one right?
Yes, man. 6 piece of cake plus 7 orange. Good job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what we do, this is just math. We use letters, we use numbers, and we use signs to write expressions. All right, Dujan and Devonique? That's all there is. So when mommy tell you to go to shop, you can just write an expression to represent the things you need. All right?
Yes, sir.
You don't need to write out the whole words. Just write an expression. 7 flour minus 4 flour plus 3 sugar, so on and so forth. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do some more.
Yes, sir.
Let's do some more.
Easy.
Make sure you consider it easy.
Hindi. The list of items.
All right. Here's the question. Go ahead.
Sir, go finish.
Huh?
Go finish.
Yeah. So read it, and write it carefully.
No.
Devonique? Dujan, did you give away? Did you give away the more mangoes? Are you added?
Oh,
All right. All right. So good. So you have 7S. Is this S right here? Is that S?
yes, sir.
Okay. So 7S plus 8M give away 3S and give away 2M. Good job. Good job, Dujan. Good job. Very good. Well done. Well done. Good job. Good job. You're shine like a star, Dujan.
Yes, sir.
All right, here goes another one. So this, yeah, go ahead. Question.
Yes, sir.
Devonique, I'm not hearing you clearly. Can you repeat? Devonique? All right, Dujan, let's go. Go. You're doing well so far, Dujan. Keep it up.
Sir, more.
Yeah, man, more.
No, don't know. So no, come out of it.
You want to buy one, you go make that one the quality or you go sell me that one day when you're ready to buy it back. You need to move it from where they yes. But if you have it from yesterday, you can it from yesterday. You do well. Then I want to keep it. You think you just turn your place? No, but we have a keyboard at the same time. You have a conversation. You are going to be for everything.
Happiness.
There is a question, Dujan. Go ahead. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Do the question now. Let me see what you're gonna get this right. Focus on it.
11 grapes.
Yes, Dujan. You have a question?
Yes, sir.
You have a question, Dujan?
Not yet, sir.
Okay.
No.
No.
You gave away. What does gave away mean, Dejan? You gave away 6 pineapples. What does that mean?
Take away.
Good. So remove your addition there. Mhm. Man, you star up tonight. Dejan, very good job, Dejan. Good job, good job, good job, good job.
Sir.
Yes, good job, Dejan. So I can almost safely say that you understand the algebraic expressions. All right. So you realize that these are things that are in your normal life.
Sir.
Yes, there's Devonique. So Dejan, ready for the next question?
The man joined.
Ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Ready for your next task now?
Yes, sir.
Our next task is to simplify these expressions. Ready? You heard me, Dejan?
Sir.
You heard what I said, Dejan?
Yes, sir.
Your next task is to simplify these expressions. All right? All right, now, so if you gave away 7 pineapples, if you got 7 pineapples and you got 11 grapes and you get another 3 pineapples, then you gave away 6 pineapples and gave away 3 grapes. How many of each did you have left?
One pineapple and
So let's focus on it. If you got 7 pineapples and you got 3 pineapples, then you gave away 6. How many is left?
four,
Huh?
4 pineapple.
4. So we can say that that is the same thing. You know what that sign is?
Equal.
Equal. Good. So that is equal. So that is equal to 4 PA, don't? 4 PA. Is that correct?
Sir.
And how many grapes are left?
8 grapes.
Huh?
8.
Good. And you're gonna have 8 grapes, right?
Yes, sir.
You see what's going on here? So all of this is the same thing as 7 PAs plus 11G plus 3 PA minus 6 PA minus 6 3G is the same thing as 4 PA plus 8G. All right, Jajan?
Sir.
So what we have just done is to simplify all of this big thing right up here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we call it simplification. Okay?
Sir.
Yes, Jajan?
Sir.
Yes, Jajan? Go ahead, Jajan. What's your question?
So I can get 2 more tonight.
You want 2 more? Sure, yeah, get 2 more. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to do 2 things. You're going to write the expression and then you're going to simplify it. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's go.
That's easy. Kasi kumuha ko ng kabang. Ay! Kasi ba ko i-edit siya? Oh, okay.
Go ahead, Dujan. There's a question for you and Devonique.
Oh, here. Idag. Let me see.
It says you gave away 4. John? It said that you gave away 4.
Oh,
Yeah. So pay attention to the terms. Give away.
yan na nga. Eh,
All right, good. Now simplify that. What is that equal to?
wait lang siya niya ko.
Okay.
Oo. Move after.
Good, man. Good. What you must put there? Plus, right? Good, good. And you say you must always say that it is equal to. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we are saying that all of this up here is equal to 2a plus 15c. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good job tonight. You big up yourself tonight. All right. You did well. You did very well tonight. So when we come back to class on Wednesday, we're going to be simplifying some more algebraic expressions, and then we're going to look at some equations. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. Good. So what did you learn tonight?
Sa class.
Yeah. What did you learn tonight? Yes, Dejan?
Yes, sir.
What did you learn tonight?
Equation.
You learned through equations or expressions. Which one?
Expression.
Expressions, right?
Yes, sir.
Because equations and expressions are different things. You learned about expressions tonight. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Devonique?